Come with me. See what I see. Hey guys.
I'm Bob.
I'm Barb. Together our channel is
HetteshWorld.
We are full-time RVers, 3.5 years on the road, and YouTubers, and we travel
In our Riverstone 39 FKTH.
So Bob, why don't you show them what makes this channel special?
All right. This is the way we travel when it's locked down for travel day.
So our channel is all about RV life, but our adventures are all about Can-Am Spyder rides. And this baby right here is taking us from state to state, from adventures to silliness and craziness.
So we use the bike as our adventure bike. So when we're sitting in parks, we don't worry if we're right inside the park. We can use this to venture out and find the beauty in this country.
Yep. So we want you to see what we see.
Yep.
America is the most beautifulest country in the world, and you guys need to like, subscribe to our channel, and you need to remember, we're HetteshWorld.
Come travel in our incredible world.
Bye.